Hey, the Scratch class is open! I'm Jesus Skratch and this is Kodh, DJ and producer, and we are going to show you what is a cut and what is a fade and how to do them. Why? Because they are beautiful scratch for you to do. So get ready for a lot of fun and excitement. Now, let's start! So, first, what is a cut? It is simply when you divide a sound into multiple parts. In other words, you cut it into more parts, just like this. So we have a sound, and we can cut it in two parts. Look! One sound, and now we can cut it into two sounds. One sound, two sounds. And we can cut it in more parts. Look, three sounds. So, to be able to cut the sound, you need a crossfader with a fast cut. In other words, the volume of the sound goes to its maximum or zero very fast, creating a silence. When the fader is closed, no sound. And when we open it, we have the sound. And look, the curve is very short. No sound. And now look. Sound. No sound. Sound. No sound. Sound. Okay, that's good for the cut. Now, what is a fade? It is when you fade the volume of the sound using a fader. The fader needs to have a progressive volume curve to get this fade effect. Listen. No sound. And now, listen. It goes back to its maximum progressively. Hey Kodh, show them how we can do this with a beat. So we need to find the starting point of the sound. And 1, 2, 3, cut it! Now fade it! So this is it, guys. You know what is a cut and what is a fade and how to do it. We hope you like this video. If so, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and hit the notification bell to get notified of new great video content. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment. See you guys on a new video. Bye!